Next letter. This is going to be the letter ich. The CH sound in English. Much or patch or ditch. The ending sound is ich. And just like we saw with ka and the other letters, it makes different sounds depending on where it falls in the word. So if we remove the dot and it begins a word, then it makes the cha sound, as in the English word chump or the English word channel. For those of you who don't know what the channel is, it's a tunnel that crosses the English Channel, connects England to France. So cha, chump, cha, channel. I should add that several people, many people, probably the entire Tamil world, also, when they see this letter at the beginning of the word, will use the S sound, so sa, to pronounce this letter. But the actual correct grammatical way to say a word that begins with this letter is cha. Alright. When the letter is in the middle of a word following a vowel sound, then it always makes the sa sound and only the sa sound, as in the word result, result. So it's result, sa. And as you can probably guess, if the cha follows the ich letter, then it makes itcha, like in the word picture, picture. Alright, so let's do some practice words. First one is here. First letter, ma. Second letter, ich. And because it is directly followed by cha, it is this combination, itcha. And the last letter, So matcha, matcham, matcham. Which means mole, like a mole on your skin. Alright, next word. First letter is pa, long, pa, because it contains the kal or aravu along with it. Next letter is this cha sound in the middle of a word, directly following a vowel, so it's the sa sound. And the last letter, so it's pronounced pa-sa, pa-sam, pa-sam. Alright, next word, and this is where we're going to give a couple of variations. So the grammatical one first. First letter, cha. The next two letters together, itta. And the last letter, cha, itta, chatta, chattam, chattam. Alright. Now I mentioned earlier that when this letter cha begins a word and it makes the cha sound, a lot of people will pronounce it as sa. So when you hear this word spoken or pronounced by 99% of people, what you're going to hear them say is not chattam, they'll say sattam, sattam. Alright, I'll say a couple of words and then you can practice writing them. The first word, acham, acham. Alright, so we hear the ah sound, acham. Then we hear the ich sound, acham. And then we can tell that it's actually itcha, acham, acham. And then an im at the end. Alright, so first letter, a, Next two letters, ich, cha, and then the last letter im, acham, acham, which means fear. And then one more word, chamar, chamar, or samar, samar, chamar. Alright, so the first letter, because I pronounced it two different ways, kind of gives it away, but we'll say it again. Chamar or samar. So cha, chamar, chamar, ma, and then ir, or samar, sa, ma, ir. So first letter here, beginning of word. Next letter, ma. Last letter, ir. Okay, well this ends the lesson that discusses the ka and cha sounds. Come back and we'll discuss a new consonant as well.